Hello guys, this is Vivek Navik. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to create another video. So basically today's video would be entering a user into a SharePoint group via MS Flow. So let me go to site permissions of this site. So if you see here, if I go to advanced permission setting, these are three groups: developer member, developer owner, and developer visitors. So let's say if I go inside developer visitors and currently if you see this group is blank, no users are available over here. So the main agenda of today's video would be like I'll be creating a flow. Uh, I'll be doing a HTTP call. In fact, that would be a REST call where we would be passing user login name in order to push that user to this specific group. So let's get started. So just go to Power Automate portal and I'll go to my flows, and from here I'll just create instant cloud flow. So here let me name it as like user to go a manual trigger now. So as I said, we would be using a REST call to enter user to a specific group. So for that, click on new step and search for HTTP, and if you see, you get this block: send an HTTP request to SharePoint. So now I select this. Now from here, we'll select our specific tenant, that is developer side. And since we are going to add a user, it won't be a get operation, it would be a post operation. And in the post operation, we expect three things. One thing is the URI, API, and the header and the body. So I just documented the URI. So it would be something like this: API slash website groups group ID slash users. So in place of group ID, how would you get the group ID? So hopefully you would be aware. So if I go back to my advanced permission setting, these are three groups. So let's say you want to add user to this specific group and you want to know the ID of this group. Click on it, and in the URL, if you see, you can get membership group ID is equal to 4. So the group ID of this is nothing but 4. So for any group, you can click and get in, and from the URL you can get the ID of the group. Now I have ID of the group. I'll just place it over here. And now inside header, we want two headers. One is accept and other is content type. So accept would be application JSON OData dot metadata is equal to no, and content type you have to pass it as application JSON, and now body. So body, what it expects is, so let me expand this. So it expects login name, and this is the login name. What I have handy, and I'm just placing it abhinavik@ucmstu.onmicrosoft.com. So guys, like if you have user display name or email ID, and from that you want to login name, we can just do another HTTP call, and for that we have to do a get operation, and we can pass a different URI where you can get the user properties. So probably comment me out if you really need that. So as of now, from there, you can get the user property, you can get the display name, email, login name. So once you get the login name, you can just put that variable to have the dynamic block. But currently, I'm just directly putting the login name. So yeah, this is the whole thing. In this block, we need to configure with. So now let me save this. Yeah. So it says your flow is ready to go. Okay, guys. So if you see, let me refresh this and check if any of the user exists here. So inside my developer visitors, I do not have any user in fact added. So it's currently blank. So let me go back to my flow and so yeah, everything is like entered. Let me quickly test it. So let me save it once more. Now let me test this. Okay, so it says your flow ran successfully. Now this means user should have been added to that group. Let's go back and check. So let me refresh this developers visitor. There it goes, guys. So if you see, Abhishek got added into this group where this look. So that's all, guys. Like this is the way like how you can create HTTP block and add users to the group. So if you have any doubt with respect to this video, do comment me. I would love to clarify that out. So thank you so much for watching this. Do subscribe my channel if you really like the content. Thank you so much.